Ever wondered about the green flags in younger women that indicate they're a great match for older men? Today, we're going to explore the positive signs and qualities that show she's a keeper. These characteristics are more than skin deep, reflecting her maturity, independence, and the way she communicates. Ready to uncover the qualities that make these women stand out? Let's dive in and discover these green flags together. 1. Maturity. Let's dive into the world of maturity. It's more than just a concept. It's the foundation for a meaningful relationship, especially when there's an age gap. Why is maturity so pivotal? Let's unwrap this. Maturity in younger women isn't about age. It's about mindset and perspective. A mature woman handles situations with emotional intelligence, showing that she's more than capable of engaging in a relationship with an older man. This maturity ensures that conversations go beyond superficial topics, allowing for deeper, more meaningful exchanges. It's about understanding and empathizing, not just reacting. What truly sets a mature, younger woman apart is her ability to see the world through a lens of wisdom beyond her years. This doesn't mean she knows everything. Rather, she's open to learning and growing within the relationship. It's about finding a balance between youthful energy and a wise soul. In a relationship where age is more than just a number, maturity helps bridge the gap. It forms a sense of mutual respect and understanding, laying the groundwork for a connection that's both stimulating and deeply rewarding. A mature, younger woman doesn't just bring fresh energy into the relationship, she brings a depth that can be surprisingly grounding for the older man. 2. Independence. Now, let's shift our focus to independence. Independence in younger women is not just impressive, it's a game changer in relationships, especially with older men. Why does this matter? Let's get into it. When a younger woman is independent, she brings a sense of self-sufficiency to the table. It's not about her not needing anyone, but rather about her choosing to be with someone. This choice is powerful. It means she's with you because she values the relationship, not because she's reliant on it. Independence here is a sign of strength, not isolation. An independent woman has her own interests, aspirations, and social circles. This diversity enriches the relationship, as she's not looking to the older man to fill every aspect of her life. It creates a dynamic where both partners can grow individually and together. It's about complementing each other, not completing each other. This independence also creates a healthy balance in the relationship. There's space for each person to be their own individual while still being part of a couple. It's about mutual respect and admiration. Her independence doesn't diminish your role, it enhances it. You're not just a partner, you're a chosen companion in her well-rounded life. 3. Shared interests. Time to zoom in on shared interests. They're not just icebreakers, they're the glue in relationships, particularly when there's an age difference. Why are shared interests so crucial? Let's explore. Shared interests create a common ground that can transcend age. They're like secret codes, unlocking conversations and experiences that both the older man and younger woman can enthusiastically participate in. Whether it's a love for jazz music, hiking adventures, or a penchant for French cinema, these shared passions provide a playground for mutual enjoyment. These interests do more than just fill time. They build memories. Imagine laughing together at a comedy show or exchanging thoughts after a gripping book club discussion. These moments aren't just fun. They're threads weaving a stronger bond. It's about building a relationship that's not just about the age gap, but about the joy and fulfillment found in common pursuits. Shared interests also mean you're looking at the world through a similar lens, at least in some aspects. This similarity is vital for nurturing a relationship where both parties feel understood and connected. It's not about having everything in common, but about cherishing the things that are. In a relationship where years might set you apart, shared interests bridge that gap, creating a beautifully balanced partnership. I hope you're finding this video insightful so far. If you are, why not show a little support? Every like, every comment, every subscription helps me grow and connect more with you. 4. Open-mindedness. Now, let's turn our attention to open-mindedness. It's not just a trait, it's a vital ingredient in a relationship, especially when it involves an age gap. Why does open-mindedness matter so much? Let's dive in deeper. An open-minded younger woman brings a refreshing perspective to the relationship. She's not bound by rigid expectations or traditional viewpoints. Instead, she's receptive to new ideas, different cultures, and alternative ways of thinking. This openness is crucial in bridging the generational divide and creating a harmonious connection with an older man. Her open-mindedness means she's willing to understand and appreciate her partner's experiences and viewpoints, even if they differ from her own. This doesn't mean she agrees with everything, but she's curious and respectful about the worldviews shaped by different life stages. It's about embracing diversity in thoughts and experiences. Moreover, open-mindedness fuels growth and learning within the relationship. It's like opening a window to fresh air, allowing new ideas and experiences to circulate freely. This quality keeps the relationship dynamic and evolving, preventing it from becoming stagnant. Embracing open-mindedness paves the way for a relationship that's not just about love, but also about mutual respect, learning, and growth. It's about two people from potentially different walks of life coming together to share a journey that's as enriching as it is romantic. 5. Communication skills. Let's shift gears to communication skills. These aren't just about chatting. They're the lifeblood of any relationship, particularly when there's an age difference. Why are communication skills so integral? Let's take a closer look. Effective communication in younger women is about articulating thoughts and feelings clearly and listening actively. It's not about agreeing on everything, but understanding and respecting each other's viewpoints. In relationships with an older man, this skill is invaluable. It helps in navigating the complexities that come with different life stages and experiences. Good communication opens up a safe space for both partners to express themselves. It's about being honest, yet considerate, ensuring that both voices are heard and valued. This is crucial for building trust and deepening the bond. It's not just about talking, it's about connecting on a deeper level. Moreover, adept communication skills in younger women help in resolving conflicts constructively. It's about finding common ground and solutions rather than winning arguments. This maturity in handling disagreements strengthens the relationship and creates a healthy, respectful environment. 6. Life goals and vision. Now let's explore life goals and vision. They're not just future plans, they're the roadmap of a relationship, especially when there's an age gap involved. Why are aligned life goals and visions so significant? Let's check it out. When a younger woman shares similar life goals and vision with an older man, it's like finding a puzzle piece that perfectly fits. It's not about having identical aspirations, but about having goals that complement each other. This alignment is key for long-term compatibility and fulfillment in the relationship. Having similar visions for the future ensures that both partners are walking in the same direction. It's about building a life together where both can thrive. Whether it's career ambitions, lifestyle choices, or family planning, these shared objectives create a strong foundation for the relationship. Moreover, when life goals align, it brings a sense of mutual understanding and support. It's about cheering each other on and being each other's backbone. In a relationship with an age difference, this support system is vital. It shows that despite the years that separate them, at the core, they're united in their journey. Aligned life goals and vision aren't just about agreeing on a future. They're about weaving a shared dream. For an older man and a younger woman, this alignment turns the relationship into a powerful partnership where both can grow individually and together. For our bonus tip, let's talk about respect for boundaries. It's a crucial element, often overlooked, yet it's the backbone of a healthy relationship, especially when it involves an age difference. Why is respecting boundaries so essential? Let's explore this. Respecting boundaries goes beyond mere understanding. It's about honoring your partner's personal space, values, and individuality. When a younger woman sets boundaries, it's a sign of her self-respect and clarity about her needs and limits. Respecting these boundaries shows that you value her as an individual and are committed to a healthy, balanced relationship. In relationships with an age gap, being mindful of boundaries is even more important. It ensures that both partners feel safe and respected. This respect creates a foundation of trust, where both the older man and the younger woman feel comfortable expressing themselves without the fear of overstepping or being overpowered. Moreover, respecting boundaries is about appreciating the other person's choices and decisions, even when they differ from yours. It's about supporting their independence and personal growth. This mutual respect nurtures a deeper, more meaningful connection. Respecting boundaries isn't just about following rules. It's about nurturing a relationship based on mutual respect and understanding. It's what separates a healthy, thriving relationship from a restrictive, one-sided one. Now that you're aware of those green flags, what's next for you? Discover the red flags you need to be aware of, or learn the best compliments to give younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.